Welcome to another video. In this video we'll talk about how to access the style library for your table. So table is something you will use a lot. It's best to know how to style it. So over here we've got a table, and same applies for a list view as well. Let's say I choose account. I don't really care what I'm bringing back. I'll choose a bunch of fields here like name. I'll do type and I will do number. Okay, so here's my table. Let's make it a bit bigger like this. And if I go over to style, got everything there. Got entire table. Now you can change the entire table's fill, something like this, and you can see it's now changed. You can change the font if you like as well. That changes. Title you can change as well. You can hide it, you can show it. You can fill it again. You can use an image if you want, or a color. Again, it's up to you. You can change the description. You can change the table header. So table header, let's go for a purple, and now you can see it's changed to purple. Rows, you can even change the rows, so we can choose this color, and now it's that as well. You can also use an image if you want. So let's say I use this image. It's now there, like this. It's a bit crazy, but okay. Get the point. You can adjust the position of the rows. You can adjust the size of the rows, and then alternate row as well. So let's say if you want one row to be yellow but the other one to be like this, you can do that as well. You can group, when you do group bys, you can adjust the group by label, or when you're group buying a field, you can do the same. Columns, if you want to do the columns here, different type of columns. So if I choose account name and I want the background to be blue, I can do that. Alright, so that's another thing you can do. Again, change everything. If you have a summary row, you can change if you want. If you have a button, you can change if you want. And you can, there are many ways. So you can do hover, clicked. It's up to you. Icon, if you put in the icon in the table, you can also do the same thing. But basically the point being is this: whatever attribute you associate with your table and you need to style it, you click on the table itself, you come over to the styling section, and you will find everything. And sometimes you may find more underneath each subheading here. So it's really best to look into here when you want to style something, so you can go, okay, you know what, this is what I need to style, or this is the specific part of the table I need to style. And then you will find it here, and then you can just go ahead and start modifying it. But this is where you find it, and these are some of the attributes. As I said, there's a lot in there, so you'll have to just thoroughly look through which one you need in order to style that part of that table attribute. But yeah, this is where you'll find it.